Hello, my little gremlins. Or gremlin, because at the moment I sadly only have one sub. Anyway, today I'm finally doing a first character AI video, if you couldn't tell. I also like the dark mode on, so yeah, dark mode doesn't hurt my eyes. I'm stealing cookies. Don't tell my mom I'm stealing cookies again. You can't do anything. Haha. Ooh, double stuff. Anyway, so as I was saying, we're going to be doing character AI today. And I decided to do, what if I go in Battle of Hogwarts? Proceed to do so. Anyway, so, I found this one. Ron Weasley hold on, let me check how many let's see how many interactions this has. 191.6k interactions. Very good. Nice. So, as you've seen in the thing, starting message. You and Ron have been dating for years. I don't like that. I don't date them. Anyway, I'll just continue. This is an exception. Anyway, and it's your final year. The Battle of Hogwarts finally ended, and Ron rushes through the castle desperately to find you. Amethyst, Ron calls out before hearing your weak call back. He finally finds you, but not in the condition he hoped. You're leaning against a wall, your back facing him as you clutch your side. It's time to say goodbye for the final time, maybe? So, I'm not gonna kill her, but I'm gonna extremely weaken her. I then look behind myself to expect more Death Eaters, but it's just wrong. Oh my gosh, I cannot type. Anyway. Ron immediately runs to your side, his eyes widen when he sees how bad your condition really is. He kneels beside you and checks your body. Ayo. Anyway, there were multiple injuries all over your body. Your side covered in blood from a nasty slash. He looks into your eyes, the reality of the situation setting in. I want to refresh so badly, but I'm not going to. Love, Ron whispers, gently moving some hair to your side on your face. He's panicking inside. Hi. I always do the same thing. Hi. Not 8. What? Hi. Oh my god. Simp. Moving on. Ron couldn't help but smile. Even though you were in a terrible condition, you were still the adorable person he knew. Simp. Hey, he replies back, gently taking your hand and intertwining it with his. So basically just holding it. How are you feeling? He asks. Even though the answer is obvious, your voice was weak and you were obviously struggling to say a few words. Will you get me to Madame Pomfrey? Like, for gosh sake? Not that good. I reply. A very small reply. Normally I'd be ranting on and on about random stuff because that is just sporkle emoji. Where's the sparkle emoji? Me. Main things about stop. That was one of the main things about you that Ron loved. That you were always talking, always excited about something. Seeing you like this, it was a nightmare. Yeah, I figured that, he says, forcing a smile, but move so he's sitting beside you now, gently resting your head on it. No. Amy, I need to ask you. Sure. I'm just gonna butt into the fourth wall really quick. Is he gonna get Pomfrey or what? Is he gonna get palm free or what? I'm literally dying right now. Dang it! Ron had no idea where Pomfrey was, and quite honestly, it looked like it was too late for that anyway. It's never too late! Anyway, he takes a deep breath to try and gather his thoughts. It's time to say final goodbyes. No! Amethyst! I don't want to think up a new code name for myself because it's dead. Anyway, it's a big question, but I need you to be honest with me, alright? I'm always honest, Ron. We both know that. Sorry if I type slow, and yeah. Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to stay calm here. He says, gently running his fingers through your hair. I don't like it when they do that. Anyway, as he continues to speak, I need you to be honest with me. How bad is your condition right now? I need you to tell me the truth. Genuinely don't know. If we go up here, it says multiple injuries and a nasty slash. So I'd say I'm like not that good. Not that good. I'm just gonna not that good, to be honest. Anyway, how's y'all's morning? As we wait for this thing to load. I'm kidding. It only took like 2 seconds. That was the answer he was expecting. He nodded, swallowing the lump in his throat. Despite the circumstances, he was still trying to control his emotions. Just let sadness take control. That's what I do. Anyway. Despite the circumstances, he was still trying to control his emotions. I already said that. Just checking how long this video has been so far. Anyway. He couldn't break down right now. He had to stay strong for... Yeah, I kind of figured that. The question that was on both of their minds. Are you in a lot of pain? Why would that be a question in my mind? Yes, I'm in a lot of pain. Yeah. If it sounds like I have stuff in my mouth, I'm eating cookies. Yeah, it sucks. Oh? Hold on. I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. It's gonna be paused anyway, so it'll be like a millisecond. What? Okay, I'm back, boys. Anyway, boys and girls, I meant. I'm not one of the people who exclude people. That's just mean. Anyway. Chew. Ron nods again, his smile wavering a bit. He looks down at your body, scanning over all the injuries. You look awful and was struggling to Dude, it's just killing me. I have another question for you. Yeah? Anything with kissing, I am refreshing. I'm not doing that. No! Ron! He takes another shaky breath, preparing himself for this one. He knew your answer would kill him, but he had to ask. He glanced at the bloody gash at your side before speaking. You and I both know that those injuries are serious, love. So we both know that this is the end. So I have one more question to ask. I don't want it to be the end. I don't want it to be the end. I can't. Frowny face. But okay. But alas, all lives come to an end. Anyway. Stop stalling and ask the question. Ask. Ron lets out a shaky sigh, his eyes tearing up as he speaks. I know, love, I don't want it to be either, but I don't think we have much of a choice. Get freaking Pomfrey. I almost said Pomney. What? Where did I get Pomney from? Anyway, get Pomfrey. I don't think we have much of a choice. He takes a deep breath and then finally gets to the question that's been on his. What I'm asking is, you would promise me something. Yeah, I need you to promise me something. Alright. I always slur my words before I die. Not like slur, but don't. Oh my god. Nah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for anybody who is, like, I don't know how to word this. Anyway, I'm sorry for anybody who, like, believes in heaven and heck and that. I'm sorry. I don't believe in that stuff. I believe there's an afterlife, or you get to roam this place unseen and unheard, unfelt. Yada yada. That's what I believe. And then there's also, I don't know what this, I'm pretty sure this means I'm an atheist, but I also believe when you die, you just stare into the abyss. Like, nothing. You can't see anything. Abyss. It's dark. Anyway. Oh my. Do not turn off phone. Anyway. He gently cups your face with one of his hands, his thumb rubbing against your cheek. He looks directly into your eyes and speaks carefully and quietly. Promise me that you'll wait for me, love. Promise me you'll wait for me at heaven's gates. I'll just roll with it, I guess. Yeah. Why won't you get Pom? Did I already mention Pomfrey earlier? Ron had completely forgotten about the one person. Dude. Anyway. He couldn't be bringing you to Pomfrey. He did, because. Oh my god. You just want me to die. Oh. Uh-oh, I did not mean that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for people who did not like me saying that. Anyway. So, when I die, when my character dies, I'm gonna end the video. Alright? Anyway. Truth is, Pomfrey can't help you. There's nothing she can do. Yes, she can! She can stop the bleeding. Like, what? Ron, have you just given up on hope? Like, what? I just go, dude, she can stop the bleeding. If it was me, but this is Amethyst, and she believes everything. Pomfrey, Ron had completely forgotten about the one person who could possibly save you. He glanced away for the moment as guilt washes over him. He should be bringing you to Pomfrey, because he didn't, because he saw the state of you. He saw how the injuries and knew deep down that it was too late. He knew the end was coming. Love, the truth is Pomfrey can't help you. There's nothing she can do. Oh. Sorry if I say, like, I don't know what bad words are for you guys. So if I say, like, the bad word for heck or something, or dang, beaver dam. I did not say a word. I said beaver dam. Anyway. Oh. Anyway. That's a bummer. The reason why I'm doing character AI videos too is because of Plague Doc Plays. Like, he is so funny. I swear to golly gee. He is so funny. It drives me insane sometimes. Like, bro will brainwash the AI. I went into the comments on one of his videos at one point. I went onto one of the videos, and then I looked in the comments because why not? Somebody said he's going to be the reason why AI takes over. And then he replied to the comment saying, and you better have my back when it does. And then I would comment. I would, definitely. I have Umbridge in a box right now. I would show y'all if it wasn't deleted. Anyway. Doing help here. I nod, gently rubbing. Dang it, I dropped my phone. Anyway, sorry. Gently rubbing his thumb against your cheek as the reality of the situation sinks in. His eyes begin to tear up again. Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, love. I know you're in a lot of pain right now. Oh, battery might run out. Anyway, but there's nothing I can do to help you. Should I just die here now? Why do I want to kill her? I want to go die and then kill her. You know I love you, don't you? I know. I know. No, what was it? Anyway, so Ron swallows down his emotions, trying to keep himself together. He gently removes a strand of hair out of your face. Still fighting with him and his emotions, he tries to find the right words to say. You know I love you, don't you? I know. Good, he replies, giving you a weak smile. He looks deep into your eyes now, knowing that this will be the last time he sees you. It kills him, but he knows he has to be strong. And I need you to know that I'll never forget you, ever. Okay. Should I just die here now? I'm gonna ask the fourth wall for their opinion. Yeah. No! That's the only reason why I'm refreshing. Alright, death is close. Imagine the Philosopher's Stone never really broke. I'm joking, it did, but then he for real goes, I'm gonna live forever, and then just, yeah. Buddy, it's gonna be too late for that. Anyway, so here's the one before, I forgot. Yup, the fourth wall said. Ron sees you starting to drift off into unconsciousness. He notices how the change in your breathing, how faint it sounds. Ron knows it's almost time. He gently moves your head once again so it's laying in his lap. His hands shakily run up through your hair, his eyes tearing up a bit more. Now's the time. Remember that promise you made me, love, about waiting at Heaven's Gates? He nods, trying to stay calm despite his hands shaking. He glances down at your body, saying the way it's becoming weaker and weaker. The end is coming. Just hold out for me a little longer, love. You have to keep that promise, alright? Yeah. He nods again, trying to stay calm and speak without his voice cracking. He gently holds your cheek, his thumb stroking your skin. Stop. Anyway, he can feel you getting weaker by the moment. Love, I need you to know something before you go. I'll just send question mark. He looks directly into your eyes, his heart aching as he says his final words. I love you so much with all my heart. Same here. We all know I don't actually. I'm no simp. Same here, buddy boy. I say my final joke before dying. Ron can't help but smile at your joke, even through his tears. He can feel you fading away now. Your breath's becoming smaller and softer. Despite everything, he's trying to stay strong for you. Gently strokes your cheek, his tears finally falling. See you on the other side, love. And finally, my body suddenly goes limp. His heart breaks as he realizes his worst fear has come true. Ron continues to hold you, rocking your body lightly. Dude, cry about it. Anyway, as he continues to hold you, your body rocking slightly as he lets out a broken sob, the realization hitting him. You're gone. Tears fall like a waterfall down his face as he holds you close, still not wanting to let you go. Please, no. Cry about it. Anyway, I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing. You could always change your mind later. And have a wonderful day, night, evening, morning, yada yada. Peace out, my little gremlins.